Hi guys, today I'll show you how to open for the first time Pebble Round Watch. I had some problems, some issues. I was trying to find on YouTube how to do it. Then I did it by myself. What you need basic tools. You need a hair dryer. First, what you need to do, you have to heat up the glass, because glass is glued on the watch, on the frame. You need these smart tools. You can buy it online, it's very cheap, and some other basic tools. So now slowly you have to heat up the glass, because it will be much easier for you. Gently pull. Okay, that's it. So now you have removed the glass. Okay, let's see what's inside. You see the glue. Now let's see what's underneath. You have to do it very gently. Try not to break anything. Voila! And we have Pebble Smart Watch Round. Now you have to change it.